back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a sewing tutorial, sewing tutorial, more or less. And we're gonna take this dress, it's a very basic Barbie dress, and we're going to take the dress to make a pattern and to make a t-shirt with a pocket. This t-shirt with cuffs and everything, and it's very easy. If you take very basic patterns like this, it's very easy to convert them in another pattern and make some alterations, and you can have, for example, this very nice t-shirt that fits a curvy body and also normal Barbie body. And yes, this is what we are going to make today. Let's begin. I have these two t-shirts that are from my nephew, but it's very small, so they doesn't fit him anymore. So I'm going to make one in white fabric with the back open, and one in this gray fabric, which is very nice, very sporty. this is the final result. At the end I made just 3 t-shirts. The first one, it's a little bit big, that's why I reduced a little bit the pattern making, and then I did this, the second one, and it was too small, and then I did a third one, which is, I think is, this one is the great size for both, for curvy and normal Barbie body. But for the first one, the mistake I did was that I gave too much seam allowance. That's why it was a little bit big. And also this one is a little bit short. That's why I made these two longer, a little bit longer. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.